Tanner Holden, a junior, has an interesting hobby: spearfishing. Tanner describes how he goes about finding fish and spearing them.
Preferably, you would push them upstream into something like rapid or something where they can't easily get through, because then all the sediment behind you, or all the sediment you stir up, goes behind you with the current, because then you can see the fish better in front of you. And really, I don't honestly just throw it. If you can get close enough to them, you can just stab them with it, because that is a lot easier than trying to throw it and get under them or, yeah.
When asked how he got into spearfishing, this is what he had to say.
Well, we were at a garage sale with my brother and you, Brennan, and there were a couple of fishing spears there. I mean, they were like $5 or something, so we bought them. And I was fishing in this creek the other day, or a couple weeks ago, and there was a big school of carp, or suckers. And so I decided to go home and grab the fishing spears and try it.
This has been Brennan Coles for the Tiger Highline.